All right, we are savory and sizzling this morning. Our favorite chef, Frank Terranova from Class Cooking, is here.
Hey, Ma, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, you're right. This is fall. This is a beautiful autumn dish. Sweet potatoes are out.
Okay.
So it's a sweet potato hash. Very, very simple. And we're going to drop some eggs on top, and they come out poached. And they're really, really tasty. So in the skillet, I start off with quite a bit of butter.
Yeah.
And a little bit of chopped onion. I'm using, it calls for sweet onion. I'm using red. It's kind of irrelevant. And then I'm just going to add, these are shredded sweet potatoes.
Wow.
Now, you can, when you do these can stay out for about an hour.
Okay.
Because they haven't lost their color. Once you put this in, you want to put this in. This is a non-stick skillet, so this will work out really well. And then I'm just going to move this around. And then we're going, just for a little bit of color and some flavor, we're going to add, this is baby spinach.
Oh, okay.
Just hacked up. And the baby spinach is nice because it's all washed in the container. So we're just going to move this around. It only takes about 2 or 3 minutes. You set an oven. And then when we're ready to go, we're just going to take, kind of flatten this out. Just make kind of an indentation. One. And drop them in. Now I'm using medium eggs.
Okay.
And the reason why I'm using them is because they'll fit nicely. If you, I mean, you can use jumbos if you want, but jumbos, you're going to chase them all over the place.
Right.
All right, and that's it. Pop it in the oven, then under a broiler, and they're done. These come out really, really nice. It's a nice recipe.
Great.
Sweet potato has a nice taste to it, especially this particular brand, a species rather.
It looks really yummy.
Yeah, it really is. I know. And the egg, you notice the egg stay nice and creamy.
Yeah, I like that too. Just great flavor.
It's very basic, but it's very simple. It's not, Ma, this stuff isn't rocket science.
I love sweet potatoes anyway.
Yeah, sweet potatoes, a lot of people will just bake them or they'll candy them, but to actually make a little hash out of them, I mean, I could have spiked it with a little bit of your favorite. But I said, yeah, I know, but I said I can take a hiatus. So, well, maybe we'll come around Christmas, we'll do something.
All right.
Put bacon in there or something.
And what do we call this?
Sweet potato hash and eggs. Simple.
Recipes on our website.
10to10.com.
We'll see you next week.
It will be here.